The gaming handheld market has always been a battleground for innovation and competition, and the unveiling of the Anbernic RG556 has stirred up excitement among gaming enthusiasts. Positioned as a formidable rival to the Retroid Pocket 4, the RG556 boasts an array of features that promise an immersive gaming experience. One of the most notable aspects of the Anbernic RG556 is its relatively powerful hardware specifications. Powered by a Unisoc T820 chipset and 8 GB LPDDR4x RAM, this handheld is developed to handle demanding games with ease. The inclusion of Hall effect triggers, joysticks, and a gyroscope further enhances gameplay precision and responsiveness, ensuring that players can fully immerse themselves in their favorite titles. In terms of appearance, the Anbernic RG556 exudes a sleek and modern aesthetic. While earlier leaks suggested a glossy white finish, Anbernic has confirmed that the handheld will be available in black and translucent blue options. The choice of colors adds a touch of customization, allowing users to express their personal style preferences. The display is another standout feature of the RG556, boasting a 5.48-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. This ensures vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth gameplay visuals, elevating the gaming experience to new heights. Additionally, the option to expand storage with either 128 or 256 GB microSD card options provides ample space for storing a vast library of games. In terms of connectivity, the Anbernic RG556 offers versatility with its USB-C port. Not only does it serve as the charging port for the handheld's 5500 mAh battery, but it also allows for connectivity to external displays, using the DisplayPort Alt Mode protocol. This opens up the possibility of enjoying games on a larger screen, further enhancing the gaming experience. Running on Android 13, the RG556 provides access to a wide range of gaming content from the Google Play Store. Whether it's classic retro games or the latest AAA titles, players have a wealth of options to choose from. Combined with its powerful hardware and ergonomic appearance, the Anbernic RG556 is poised to make a significant impact in the gaming handheld market, offering a compelling alternative to its competitors. The pricing and availability details of the Anbernic RG556 have been eagerly awaited by gaming enthusiasts, and now, with the official announcement, excitement levels are soaring. The Anbernic RG556 is set to hit the market with a range of pricing options to cater to different needs and preferences. For those looking for a budget-friendly option, the barebones model of the Anbernic RG556 is priced at $174. This option provides the essential features of the gaming handheld, without the additional storage capacity offered by the microSD card options. With its competitive pricing and robust feature set, the Anbernic RG556 is poised to be a compelling choice for gamers seeking a high-quality gaming experience on the go. Whether it's the affordable barebones model or the premium option with expanded storage, the RG556 offers versatility and performance at an attractive price point. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.